Hello, followers of immigrants crossing the sea to Spain. My people, tori dey for paper. E get one tori wey I see for the social media side just now, my people. Na I say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. My people, this one na sad news. According to the tori, my people, they say Canary Islands route for Spain, they say about 100 immigrants wey be say they cross for Wednesday. E come happen say 2 immigrants out of the 100 dem, they don kpai. As I see the tori, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me. Na I say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. According to the tori, my people, they say where they for see all these immigrants when they don already kpai, they say na that dashi when be say they take the rescue immigrant meet that big ship when they take the rescue immigrant for the sea. They say na they rescue all of the put. E come happen say 2 don already kpai. Wetin come make these 2 immigrants kpai? They say they stay the sea for about 1 week before they fit rescue them. So e be like say na overstress, hungry, and taste of water na im come kpai these 2 immigrants. May the soul of the departed rest in perfect peace. They say this incident happen for Canary Islands route. You wan be say you no know Canary Islands? Na Spain na e dey. For many immigrants already dey pass that route, dey enter the Spanish side. So many dey survive while many still dey kpai. Cause that journey na 50-50. According to the tori, my people, Canary Islands route, 2 men found kpai in a dinghy rescue in the Atlantic. An inflatable boat carrying around 100 passengers was rescued on Wednesday by the Spanish authority in the south of El Hierro, one of the Canary Islands, after drafting for a week in the Atlantic. A total of 106 survivors, including women and minor children, were taken to the port of Agagun. 2 immigrants also kpai. Shey na dey hear am, so 2 don already kpai. May the soul of the departed rest in perfect peace once again. As I see the tori, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me more. Na I say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. You wan be say you dey watch the tori, anything wey you see, no forget to leave am for the comment section. Like, share, make e for reach everybody. I don go.